Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play New Super Mario Bros. 2 on your personal computer. This process involves using an emulator, which is software that mimics the original console's hardware. Citra is the most widely recognized and capable Nintendo 3DS emulator available. It allows you to enjoy your favorite games with improved visuals and flexible settings, bringing the handheld experience to your desktop. First, ensure your personal computer meets the necessary specifications. You will need a 64-bit operating system, at least 4 GB of RAM, and a graphics card equivalent to an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 660. Next, download the Citra emulator installer. Run the setup file, choose your preferred installation directory, and follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once Citra is installed, open the application. You will see an option to add a new folder to your game list. Click this and navigate to where your legally obtained game files are stored. Citra supports various controllers, including Xbox and PlayStation gamepads. Go to the emulation configuration, then Controls, to easily map each button for a comfortable and familiar gaming experience. To enhance your experience, adjust the graphics settings. You can increase the internal resolution, often to 6 times native, for a much clearer picture on your monitor. Enabling VSync helps synchronize frames, preventing visual artifacts. For modern systems, switching the graphics API to Vulkan can offer significant performance boosts. Experiment with these options to find the best balance for your specific computer setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.